Ninja Turtle Ronin back with another review. This time it's on the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Raphael and Leonardo 2-pack. First off, as always, we're going to get a look at the packaging featuring both Leonardo and Raphael in the 2-pack. So you get an image of both trucks on one side and the other. Demolition Duos, new for 2020. Giant wheels. See the B-locks, both got the same chrome look to them. One's red, one's blue. You see a couple others in this wave. I don't really collect these ones, but A51 Patrol versus Test Subject. Next one's Spider-Man versus Venomized Hulk. Interesting, although I'd rather have just Venom. Bone Shaker versus Roger Dodger. With two classics. The back is the bio. Name, Raphael. Character. Strength, Brawler. Crash Attack, Side Strike. Motivation. To be the first to mix it up. And Leonardo, name Leonardo, obviously. Character. Strength. Driven to perfection. Crash Attack. Katana Crush. And motivation to be the ultimate leader. Let's crack this thing open. Well, here they are, out of the package. Raphael and Leonardo, of course. Hoping they make the other two. And of course, there's only one other review I've seen of these. And that person obviously didn't know who their names are. The other two are Michelangelo and Donatello. And I'm pretty sure they'll come out with them too as well. So, just wait for them and complete the set. Maybe they'll do a shredder. Who knows? Anyway, check them out really close here. Using a GoPro style camera. This is only the second time I've used it. I used it on the Super Shredder review. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't yet. I love the chrome on the B-locks. The only thing I'm complaining about on these is I don't like these. I mean, if these two little things aren't here, probably darn near perfect. But make it look like little bat ears or something. I don't know. I don't know if it's off a certain mold or something. I mean, part of it anyway. I mean, I don't remember them doing any turtles. But, yeah, it's pretty cool. I can tell it's in probably 3 parts because you got this yellowish part down here on the bottom. And then this, and then it looks like this was separate at one point. Pretty cool though. And just plastic chassis and everything, standard. Then Leonardo, blue V-locks, kind of chrome look. They're both basically the same, just different color headband and V-locks. Pretty cool. A little fun with them. Very similar to the old, Monster Jam license products from, I think it was, I forget the company that does them now. Oh, Spin Master. Anyway, got a bit of a comparison here. Got my only other original, Leonardo. And it's the metal body. In fact, I'll put them side by side. See them a little better. For some reason, yeah, the wheels do look a little bigger. Nice. It stands up a little taller. liking these so far. Raph out of the way a little bit. Leonardo is the only original I have, so I'm just happy to have that because they're not easy to get a hold of anymore. And unless you want to pay hefty prices on eBay. For any mint ones anyway. I mean, there's some stuff on here, but it's not as bad. This is probably like the best looking Leonardo I could for, you know, good enough price. I was happy with. Here. Grave Digger, my girlfriend's favorite. And Max D, my favorite. And these two are off the Spin Master Monster Jam line. They're no longer Hot Wheels. Yeah, I guess the wheels are kind of bigger on the Hot Wheels version. But, you know, these are more accurate than the actual Monster Jam trucks, which are more like a fantasy thing. Unless they do plan on making them, for real. That'd be kind of sweet. I'm a huge monster truck fan. So, Monster Jam in general, but monster trucks, period, I love. So, that conversion, and that one, to the original. And you can even kind of see what the original looks like compared to the, you know, the new style Spin Master ones. So a little bit, a couple, like 2 reviews in one, kind of. So, I recommend both lines. One from Hot Wheels and one from Spin Master. If you're a monster truck fan, I say either line's worth it. So, and that's it for me. And as always,